Looking for a PC case that balances style, cooling performance, and budget? This mid-tower case, priced at just $69.99, delivers on all fronts. With a perforated honeycomb front panel designed to boost airflow and a tempered glass side panel to showcase your build, it's a smart choice for anyone wanting both form and function in a compact design. What sets this case apart is its efficient cooling system. It comes with three 120mm Aurasync addressable RGB fans up front and a 120mm rear fan, plus up to 6 fan mounting points for targeted airflow. Whether you're running high-performance components or overclocking, this setup keeps your system cool and quiet. Plus, it supports 280mm or 360mm water cooling radiators in the front and a 120mm radiator at the rear, giving you plenty of options to customize your cooling. Beyond cooling, the case offers extensive storage flexibility. You can mount up to 2 HDDs and 6 SSDs, with dedicated brackets included, one conveniently located on the power supply shroud. This means you can organize your drives neatly without cluttering your build. There's even a handy, customizable headphone hook that attaches to either side of the case, keeping your gear within easy reach. Users from the United States have praised this case for its great airflow and solid cable management, which, while a bit challenging, is definitely manageable. The front USB 3.0 port works seamlessly without needing extra adapters, a thoughtful feature considering many motherboards still don't support USB 3.2. Some minor drawbacks include limited power supply mounting hole compatibility, especially for certain brands, and non-PWM RGB fans that don't allow speed control. The 2.5-inch HDD mount can also be a bit awkward to secure straight. Despite these small flaws, many users find the overall experience highly satisfying. If you want a stylish, well-ventilated mid-tower case that won't break the bank, this option is worth a look. It delivers the essentials with a clean design and enough features to support a serious gaming or productivity build. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup with a case that keeps your components cool and your workspace tidy.